My name is Morgan Robinson and this is my video for Exam 6. Today we will use the help of our friend Danny the Dragon to discuss developmental networks. Danny is a thorny dragon and has been wondering why him and his friends all have spikes in different places. We will be explaining to him that the order of the developmental network for spikes in their species leads to the formation of spikes in certain cells of the skin and leads to other cells not having spikes. Here's the developmental network for skin spike cells. The arrow symbol means the next letter is promoted and the other symbol means the next letter is blocked. The pathway we see here is known as a wild-type pathway, meaning that there are no mutations. In this pathway, S promotes P, which then blocks I. Since the I is blocked, it cannot block K, and K can then promote E, which leads to the formation of spikes. To explain to Danny the reasoning for spikes in certain skin cells and none in others, we will have to explain mutations in the developmental network to him. The first mutation we will be explaining is removal of the P. If P is removed, then nothing can block I. So I blocks K, and if K is blocked, then it cannot promote E, so spikes will not be formed. Now we will explain what would happen if the I was removed. If the I is removed, then P cannot block it, and K is also not being blocked, so then K can promote E, leading to the formation of spikes. The next mutation we will illustrate for Danny will be a little more complicated than the last two. For this one we will remove both I and E. If this happens, S promotes P, which then blocks I, but I is removed so it cannot be blocked, so therefore nothing represses K, so it would normally promote E, but E is already moved so it cannot lead to the formation of spikes. The last mutation we will illustrate for Danny will be the removal of S and K. If S is removed, then it cannot promote P, so it will not be blocked, and then I will block K. However, K is already removed, so it cannot promote E anyways, so spikes will not be formed. Danny now understands why some skin cells have spikes and others don't, and is glad for these mutations as they make him and all of his friends just a little bit different from one another.